I'm doing the shock absorbers, and what is very confusing to me is the way these washers are supposed to go on the new one. So on the new one, I have no idea if this molded washer should go at the ends, but it has this slight lip, so I would imagine that this would go to prevent the shock absorber to wiggle in the hole. For example, you see here the other one, I mounted it like this. Sorry, hold on a second, like this. This is how the old one was mounted, just plain rubber on the body, and then this working like a cap, and then the nuts. But I'm thinking that maybe it should go this first, preventing from slipping, or to use it as a cap like the other one. Why I am confused is because, look, this is the old one, and the old one is actually neat. It has metal washers, rubber, then this beveled cap, again beveled metal, rubber, and again beveled metal washers. So this makes sense. This, if the body is in between here, this shock absorber cannot wiggle. Now with the new one, they gave me 4 of these washers, so I assume that it's to put here at the end. I don't know why I got so many of these washers. So where does this beveled one go? And the thing is, when I actually think the way it's supposed to go, I cannot fit it. Let's say, hold on a second. Of course the rubber is now in the car. Let's say here. The idea I'm thinking would be like this. This is the bottom part. And actually this is very hard to do in the car, because when I insert this, I almost have nothing, no threads. So what I did with the other one, I filed this down to be able to squeeze that in. So very confusing why I have all these washers. Is this just in case you need it, or you, I don't know, very confusing. It's a pity that these guys never have a little instruction manual to say where they're supposed to go, the fashion of these. And you would say, yeah, just use your old one as a reference, but it's totally different.